During the Gulf War, the U.S. military gave soldiers a drug called pyridostigmine bromide without telling them what it was for. They said it was a precaution against chemical warfare agents. The soldiers were told to take it. Most did not ask questions. They trusted the institution. But thousands of those soldiers came home sick. Not from combat, not from enemy fire, from something they were given by their own government. Tremors that would not stop. Memory loss that made it impossible to hold a job. Organ damage that doctors struggled to explain. Fatigue so severe that men who had passed elite physical tests could barely get out of bed. They called it Gulf War syndrome. The government called it stress. For years, officials insisted there was no medical explanation. Veterans were told it was in their heads. Some were diagnosed with psychiatric conditions. Their benefits were denied. Their families watched them deteriorate. But researchers kept digging. Investigations later found that pyridostigmine bromide may have interacted with the pesticides soldiers were heavily exposed to during deployment. The combination appeared to cause neurological damage in ways that neither substance would cause alone. Animal studies supported this. Independent researchers published findings. The government commissioned its own studies and disputed the conclusions. Veterans filed lawsuits. Some won settlements. Some died before their cases were resolved. The drug was never officially approved for the purpose it was used for. The FDA granted a waiver allowing the military to administer it without informed consent. Soldiers had no legal right to refuse. No one told them the long-term effects were unknown. No one told them the approval was experimental. They were handed a pill and told to take it. Decades later, the Department of Veterans Affairs has acknowledged Gulf War syndrome as a real condition. Research is ongoing. Some veterans have received compensation. Many have not. The men and women who served and came home broken are still fighting a different kind of battle. One against bureaucracy, against skepticism, against a system that sent them to war with an untested drug and then spent years pretending it never happened.